Hey there shoppers, it's Amy, and today we are checking out this magnificent juicer from EASEHOLD. You guys, I love juicers and I am so excited about this one. First off, EASEHOLD has made a beautiful juicer. It works, it's easy to use, it's intuitive, but I just love this design. It looks really great out on your countertop. It's in these great colors that match anything, any decor. It's gonna look beautiful. But it's also, even though it's a very powerful juicer, it can really handle a lot. I'm gonna show you that here in a second. But it's quite compact, and I really love this design. When you take it out of the box, when you get it, your juice compartment is actually going to be inside the pulp compartment, and you can kind of store it that way as well, so you can tell it takes up even less room. If you're storing this in your cabinets, or you're even keeping it out on the countertop, it's going to take up a really minimal amount of space and also look gorgeous. So I just love this. It's really easy to use. You're gonna get an instruction manual. Familiarize yourself with your juicer when you get it, but like I said, it's really intuitive. It's really easy, and I think you're gonna love it. So this is a centrifugal juicer. That means it's gonna be spinning around. Your pulp is going to go in this side. Your juice is going to go into this side. All really self-explanatory. As far as juicing goes, you can juice fruits, vegetables, greens. What you want to make sure you do is remove any large pits, like a peach pit or plum pit, and remove any outside of a fruit that you wouldn't normally eat, like the peel from my orange. It needs to go. A peel from an apple can stay on. You guys got it? Okay, so really simple. This juicer only has two options, slow and fast. Really, it's that simple. You might want to start off slow, see how that works for you, and then move up to fast depending on what fruit or vegetable you're using. You'll get to know your juicer, you'll get it down, and you'll understand what everything calls for. But for now, I'm going to start off. I'm going to remove my pusher right here, and we are going to start with just half of this orange here. I'm going to turn this on slow, and you can see how quickly that goes in there. This is crazy, it's so fast. Oranges juice really quickly, so let's try this carrot next. You guys, oh my goodness. So I'm not even gonna kick it up to fast for this. This is insane, super powerful. You really don't even need to push this at all. It really, see, it just goes right in there really fast. Now I'm pushing just a little. There we go. We have our carrots done. I'm gonna break this celery in half. Get some celery going on. Oh, I smell celery everywhere. Oh my goodness. This thing is powerful. I've been able to juice all of this. Insane. You guys, with a juicer this powerful, you are going to get a really high juice yield, a lot more than the competitors. You can tell just how powerful this is and how much juice I'm getting out. Also how quickly it is. I'm able to juice so fast. Also really safe. You can tell that my hands are nowhere near the blade. You never have to worry about cutting yourself or anything sharp. It's all really safe, and it's also FDA approved materials, BPA free, food grade, all of that good stuff, so you know that this is a safe, healthy juicer. I'm gonna put some mint in. I love adding that to juice, especially if I do celery, because it just it cuts down taste a little bit. Let's see how this does. Wow, so quick. Everything smells like mint now. That's amazing. Got mint juice coming out. So good. We are all done here. So as it finishes up, it is like kicking out even more of that mint juice. Everything in here smells so good. I got like all the fresh orange and then carrots, the sharp celery smell, and now everything is just sweet mint, fresh, delicious fruits, vegetables, herbs, everything that you could want. Perfect breakfast, perfect thing to, you know, just get your energy going, perfect snack. It's healthy, it is fresh, it is delicious. And how fast was that, you guys? And that is speed 1. This is a crazy powerful machine, and I am about to try this juice. I cannot wait, but I'm also going to show you guys that it's really, really easy to clean as well. So obviously you can take this out, and if you are juicing a lot and you want to just keep going, you don't have to stop until your pulp container is full. So you can put this in another glass and just kind of keep going. If your pulp container is full, you need to turn it off, unplug, and you will take it off by pressing this down and then pushing this up to empty that. Easy enough. We'll go ahead and do that now. You can see I've got pulp in here. Just put that right in your garbage disposal. Rinse this off. You see you're gonna have your blade right here. This gets a little dirty, but you can easily rinse it, and that's where this brush right here is gonna come in handy. It makes it really easy to clean your blade and get all of that stuff out. Really, really easy. All of this, you've got all your pulp in there, and it's super easy to empty out. Oh, it has a little suction cup feet on the bottom. I don't know if you saw that right there when I was picking it up. So it stays firmly on your counter exactly how you would want it to. So quick to clean everything up in a flash. Take this apart, put it back together. You see how easy it is. I'm gonna go ahead and try this. I'm not even going to put it in a glass. I'm gonna drink it straight out of here. I'm so excited. You'll notice that there's a little bit of separation. That's totally natural because it is a fresh fruit juice. That's what you expect. I'm just gonna give it a little swirl, get all those flavors together. That is fantastic. Absolutely wonderful. I'm getting my carrots, I'm getting my celery, I'm getting some mint, some orange. And I'm getting an entire huge glass of juice. Even though half of that was carrots, which don't produce a ton of juice because they don't have a lot of liquid in them, I still extracted a ton of juice. This juicer really, really is going to be a great value because it gets so much out of all of your fruits and vegetables. You're gonna get more juice, a higher yield, which is exactly what you want. You see how simple it is to use. Sorry, that's so good, I don't even want to stop drinking it. You see how easy it is to put together, take it apart, clean it up, and how quickly it juices so fast. Plus it looks gorgeous, it looks beautiful on your countertop, and it takes up a really minimal amount of space, especially for being as totally powerful as it is. I love this EASEHOLD juicer. I think you guys will too. Go ahead, pick it up, put it in your cart. You're gonna be really glad you did. So good. Adios, amigos.